Good morning. So I'm here at Kankavli. I stayed at this hotel Jaltarang. So you might be wondering why I'm actually carrying this tent. So this tent is kind of like a plan B. I think you might have know when I actually went to a Kerala ride where I went with friends, but I didn't have any tent and all, and I had to actually sleep in hammock. So and it was very cold at night. So I thought this is like a plan B for me. Like if I couldn't find a stay and if I have to stay somewhere, then I'll be using this tent. From here to now I think around 7:30 or something, so I'll be riding towards Radhanagari. I'll be taking the inner route suggested by CS Prasanjit. So I'll be taking the Kanade, Radhanagari, and then towards Kohlapur, and probably today I'll stay somewhere near waterfalls. So that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. This one stretch was nice, but all the way up to leading here was like so bad. The roads were so bad. Oi! Oi! Okay guys, I'm settled here. I'm going to buy that house and stay in Maharashtra, not come back to Bangalore. Bye bye Bangalore. All greenery, just like I wanted. So there's no breakfast here except misal pav, and next hotel is about 15 kilometers away. Having that for a change. I heard misal pav is kind of like a usual food here in Maharashtra, so let me try that. So Here it is. The misal pav was yummy. It's the first time I think I tried it. I think I'll probably eat the same breakfast every day. Man, I almost missed it. I didn't know there was a lake here. This is amazing. It's beautiful. This was kind of like unexpected. Because of the fog, I couldn't see anything on the left side, and suddenly fog cleared and this was visible. I would have missed it actually. It's amazing. If you see over there, there is actually sunlight falls on the water and it looks really bright. I'm not sure if it's visible on the video. You can see the fog actually. It's covered those hills. It was visible a while back. Look at that house. What a place to live. It rained a bit and there is a nice waterfalls over there. It's like entire Maharashtra is, has a green lawn everywhere. It's green, green, green. I'm not getting enough of it though. It's that beautiful. I'm using this pouch for the phone. This is from the Decathlon. I mean, I'm not really worried about phone getting wet anymore. This is, I think you can pick it up for $100. The dam was nice. I didn't record because I guess he was asking for camera. दबदबे फॉल्स?
हाँ, यहाँ से सीधा जाने का। सीधा जाने का, ये रोड छोड़ना का नहीं।
ओके,
हाँ, ओके,
थैंक्स। Is this probably the Dabdabe Falls? Just now. Look at that. Big thanks to Waterfalls Vlogs for sending this marine video. Because of this, actually, I'm drinking lots of water, and also like this easy access for me to keep my batteries. It's really useful. Non-veg thali.